Okay, section 8.5. As I said, this is kind of mirroring chapter 7. So we had yes or no questions. We had numbers questions with n bigger than 30. Now we got numbers questions with n less than 30. Okay, why don't I have an n written down on that one? That one, the n was 15. Okay. And you think, oh God, does that mean like section 8.6 is going to do that stupid chi-squared chart again? No, we're not doing that in this chapter. Okay, forget the chi-squared chart. That's just chapter 7 only. We got 8.3, 8.4, and 8.5 matching up to 7.2, 7.3, 7.4. Anyway, okay, so I know that it's a numbers question. What is your IQ? And I know that n is less than 30. So I'm going to do a t-test, like I did t-interval. All right, first I better write down some hypotheses. The claim is that the IQ is greater than 100. Okay, well, that doesn't include an equal sign. So it's going to have to go over here. All right, found the calculator. T-test. Stat tests. T-test is like the second one down. Okay, I'm going to put in stats. I'm not going to put it in data. Mu 0. All right, what the other person said. Other person was talking about 100. X bar, that's me. I got 118. S, I got 11. N, I was 15. And now match up to HA, the greater than sign. There's no way you ever get to match up to H0, no matter how much it might be helpful if you did. All right. Calculate. And I said get Z, get P, but this is actually get T. So this is a T-test. 6.34, get P. P is 9.17 E negative 6. Reject, reject, reject. Okay, this, especially with the E negative 6 on it, that is less than 0.05 significance. It didn't say, so that's what I'm comparing it to. That is less than 0.05. Reject. Okay, I'm gonna get the admin of Palomar College just this one time. I want to publish this bit. Wait a minute. They didn't say H0. I just rejected something they didn't say. Okay, that's where, just move on to the next problem and don't complain about it. I could maybe go to the admin and get them to revise what they said, but I'm not going to. I'm moving on to the next problem. All right, now cigarette industry. Yes, I'd like to get the cigarette industry. Okay, less than or equal to. So H0, they said an or equal to. So mu less than or equal to 21.1. Mu greater than 21.1. Okay. All right, to the calculator. Stat, test, t-test, using stats. Other person said 21.1. I got 23.2. And 3.7. And n is 25. And match up with whatever's on HA, greater than, and calculate. T equals 2.84, and P equals 0.0045. I probably don't need to save so many places, but you can see, hey, that's less than 5%. That's the chance the cigarette industry knows what they're talking about. Okay, reject, reject. They don't know what they're talking about. And this one might make me rich and famous, except, of course, you will never get the cigarette industry to include an equal sign in anything they say because they don't want you to be able to do this to them.